Hello, my lovely viewers. I welcome all of you to my Birmingham Aviation and Traveling Lens channel. My lovely viewers, you are about to witness the landing of the world's most formidable and colossal aircraft. Wow, you see it's landing. It's so big, gigantic. Viewers, for your kind of interest, the first A380 was initially delivered to Singapore Airlines in 2007. Oh, this is quite old dude. However, due to the substantial operational costs, Airbus regrettably ceased production in 2021 when there was a time for the COVID-19 and everything was shut down. So obviously, the company was unable to cope with the cost, 22 billion euros at that time. So they have decided to stop the production. So this is really unfortunate. You see this big bird, it's beautiful, it's mesmerizing and spectacular. Look, even the kids, they are stunned to see the beauty of Airbus A380. It's colossal. Wow, it's so beautiful. And viewers, for your interest, the Airbus A380 can accommodate up to 525 passengers. Although it is too big, that maximum certified capacity stands at an impressive 853 passengers. Wow, that's amazing. And the aircraft is propelled by 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 900 turbofan engines. I love Rolls-Royce, and being a British national, I'm proud of Rolls-Royce for producing such a beautiful engines for this big boy. As of December 2022, there have been 237 aircraft in active service with 16 operators globally. Wow, 237 is a big number, isn't it? And this big boy consumes, the fuel consumption per flight amounts to 17,250 kilograms. So it's a big boy, it's expensive to fly. But if you see its beauty, it's so beautiful. When it's in air, when it's landing, it's so gorgeous and breathtaking moments. Now the airplane is going to its terminal. It will onboard all the passengers and we'll get ready for its afternoon flight, which goes around 1:40ish every day. There are 2 flights every day from Birmingham to Dubai. It's morning time, it's freezing cold, it's foggy. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much for subscribing my channel. Your likes, your share, and your comments are very important for us. So love you guys. See you next time.